waiting for the tmte training for the third cohort all over the country, and I'm welcoming you, and I'm sharing my experience to you how you can successfully complete this tmte. Yes, we are now in the second cohort. Now I am in Gopalganj PTI, and we are learning something new techniques. But before describing all the things, I want to share today only few important things. If you uh, take good preparation about all these things, I think your training will be better. Especially if you want to get all the ideas from the foreign trainers, they are native speakers, so you have to listen all the topics very carefully. So first of all, you have to do develop your listening skill. If you do not develop your listening skill, it will make you less or more inconfident, and you will not get all the ideas they experience. Especially if the trainers are little aged, and if they pronounce in less sound, it will be really very difficult for you to understand all the things. So my request, please try to listen the native speakers, yeah, using your mobile phone or using your any audio device. It is better to listen every day, half an hour, or if it is more, then of course it will be better. Then you must develop your speaking skill. Yes, you are to use very good English, not that, but your fluency must, you will try to express the things that to the point, what the question and what is the answer. Just try to speak on the topic to the particular point. You should not make the stories very larger, or you will not make all your speech so long. Speaking too much out of the point is not a good habit, so you must practice to speak just to the point. My third advice to you, you must try to read properly, and try to understand the key points, key words, new words, and if you practice all these things from just now, I think it will help you to get a better training. And of course you will learn a lot of things, no doubt that it's of course a very good training. All the arrangement and the trainers are highly expert and cordial. You're of course you are very lucky that you are qualified, and also lucky for getting the opportunity to get such kind of training. So you must achieve more qualities to successfully complete all the training session. Then you must try to write to the point, and you write all the things that required. Suppose you write an email, or you write something to a particular subject, that may be, and commonly you will practice the writings at least 100 or 150 words. It may be on a picture, it may be about your a journey or trip, or to any memorial event, or it may be about your childhood memory, or like this. Try to write the short notes in 100 or more than 100, or 150 words in, and then uh, make sure that all the spellings are correct, because you have to correct all the spellings, or you have to make sure that the sentence structure is good. So all the things, the four skills, you must try to develop every day. It of course you will get the opportunity in the next time, so before that you will get at least 80 or 85 days, so it is a good opportunity for you to develop a little more. And all this from my side, and hope to get some information from you. If you are interested, you can write the comments, and hope to come back very soon with a new topic, and especially about all the English learning materials, and also the things about training topics one by one. What are the new topics that we are learning? I wish to come on the next videos. So far, stay tuned. Best of luck.